Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we're diving into the 2025 Honda Rebel 500, one of the most anticipated motorcycles of the year. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first bike or an experienced rider seeking something versatile and stylish, the Rebel 500 has a lot to offer. Let's break down the key features, performance, and why this bike might just be the perfect ride for you. Design and aesthetics. Honda continues to refine the Rebel 500's iconic design. The 2025 model keeps the minimalist, neo-retro look that riders love, with sleek lines and a bold, modern presence. The low-slung frame, combined with a comfortable seat height of just 27.2 inches, gives it that approachable cruiser vibe. The new color options for 2025 include a matte black and a stunning metallic silver, which add a fresh twist to its already sharp design. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Rebel 500 is a 471X parallel twin engine that strikes the perfect balance between power and accessibility. The 2025 model maintains the smooth, manageable power delivery Honda is known for, offering around 47 horsepower and plenty of torque. It's ideal for both city commuting and weekend cruises, with a 6-speed gearbox that provides responsive acceleration and smooth shifts. Handling and comfort. One of the standout features of the Rebel 500 is its impressive handling. Thanks to its lightweight design and a low center of gravity, it feels nimble around corners and stable at higher speeds. The updated suspension system for 2025 ensures a more comfortable ride, absorbing bumps and road imperfections with ease. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or hitting the open road, the Rebel 500 offers a surprisingly comfortable ride. Technology and features. Honda has kept things simple but effective when it comes to tech. The 2025 Rebel 500 comes with a fully digital LCD instrument panel, which displays all the essential info like speed, fuel levels, and gear position. You also get LED lighting front and rear, which not only looks sleek but improves visibility on the road. And for those who want a more personalized riding experience, Honda offers several accessories for customization, from exhaust upgrades to additional comfort features. Safety features. The 2025 Rebel 500 doesn't skimp on safety either. It comes standard with anti-lock braking system, ABS, giving you extra confidence, especially in wet or slippery conditions. The dual-channel ABS works seamlessly with the front and rear brakes to prevent wheel lockup, helping you stay in control no matter the situation. Price and availability. So what's the damage? The 2025 Honda Rebel 500 starts at an MSRP of around $7,500. For a bike that offers great performance, stylish design, and excellent handling, it's a competitive price point. Expect the Rebel 500 to hit dealerships in the first quarter of 2025, with plenty of color options and packages to choose from. Conclusion. All in all, the 2025 Honda Rebel 500 continues to build on its legacy of being one of the best bikes in its class. With a great balance of style, performance, and practicality, it's a fantastic choice for new riders and experienced motorcyclists alike. If you're looking for an entry-level cruiser that doesn't compromise on performance, the Rebel 500 is worth checking out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Honda Rebel 500. Until next time, ride safe.